So Motorola is soon going to have its first smartphone launch of this month in India, and it is the Moto G62 that was officially announced in the global market back in June. Now this is going to be a 5G phone, but unlike the global market where the Moto G62 has Snapdragon 480 Plus, the Indian market is getting the phone with Snapdragon 695, which is a very popular SoC in the budget and mid-range segment in India. Motorola has also announced that the launch is happening in India on the 11th of August, so that means just a few days are now left for the launch. You may be thinking that we already have the Moto G71 and Moto G82 with Snapdragon 695 chipsets, so where does the Moto G62 sit? Well, going by the name, the Moto G62 should be priced lower than the Moto G71, and Motorola has done some cost cuttings for that. Now here I am assuming that the Indian variant of G62 is different than the global variant in only the SoC, and the rest of the specifications are the same. So while the Moto G71 has an AMOLED panel, the Moto G62 has an IPS LCD. Now it is a 120Hz IPS LCD versus the 60Hz AMOLED of the G71. Another difference between the two phones is that Moto G71 supports 33W fast charging, whereas the Moto G62 supports 20W fast charging. And well, that is pretty much it. All the other specifications are the same for both the phones. So the Moto G62 has a 5000 mAh battery, a 16 megapixel selfie camera, a 50 megapixel primary camera on the rear, an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The phone also has stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, something the Moto G71 does not have. Moto G62 supports 12 5G bands and runs on Android 12. It is pretty much stock Android experience with a few Motorola add-ons. And finally, talking about the expected price of this phone, since the name indicates that it would be cheaper than the Moto G71, we are expecting the price of Moto G62 to be around 15,000 rupees. That is because currently the Moto G71 is selling for 16,000 rupees. At that price, do you think the Moto G62 is a good phone? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.